So I have a Tapo Smart Plug, and in this video I'll be showing you how to unlink it from Google Assistant. Now this is the Tapo P100 model, but these instructions will also apply to any smart plug from Tapo. Now to unlink this particular smart plug from Google Assistant, all you have to do is launch the Tapo app, and then here make sure you select the Me tab. So tap on Me, and then here you should see all these options. Select third-party services, and then you should see Google Assistant. So tap on Google Assistant. So if you no longer want to control this smart plug using your voice, you can remove it from here or from the Google Home app. Now I've made a separate video on how to remove it using the Google app, or how to unlink it from the Google Home app. But if you want to unlink it, simply select unlink, and then you will no longer be able to enjoy this service. Are you sure you want to unlink now? Select unlink, give it a while, and it's now going to be removed from the Google Assistant will no longer be able to work with your Tapo Smart Plug. And that's basically how to unlink your Tapo Smart Plug from Google Assistant. Thank you for watching. Take care and God bless.